Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how can we write a function in program to calculate simple interest of principal entered by the user. So first, I will declare here a function to calculate simple interest. So let's declare. So then def simple interest, and this will take principal, rate and time, and after this will return principal into rate into time divided by 100. So this is the copilot which is suggesting these suggestions. So I will turn off this from the next videos. So now let's take input from the user to calculate simple interest on that. So I will comment here in taking input from the user. So after this, I will declare here a variable name p in which I will take input of principal. So I will declare, or can say right here, p equals to float input, enter the principal amount. And after this, I will take input of rate, float input, enter rate of interest. And after this, I will also take input of time in t variable. So float input, enter time in years. So this is the taking input from the user. And after this, we will give the values which will enter by the user to that function. So how we will do that is, we will call the function. So I have declared here a variable name si in which I will call the function with these arguments. So our function name is simple interest. So I have written here, and in the bracket parenthesis, I will give these values to the function. So I will write here p, r, t. So this is how you can give the argument to the function. And after giving argument, our function will calculate that amount. So after that, I will print that amount. So I will write here displaying the result. So print simple interest equals to si. And after printing the simple interest, I will also want to print the total amount which user will get after 1 year, 2 year, or whatever the time he will enter. So let's print amount. So total amount after interest is this, principal plus si. So this is the program in Python which will calculate simple interest of user entered by the simple interest of principal entered by the user. So let's run it. Okay. So let's enter here, let's say 1000. Rate of interest 7. Enter time 2 years. So here you can see simple interest equals to 140. And total amount after interest is 1140. So this is how you can write a program using function to calculate simple interest in Python. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.